This is the second part of the secrets of video marketing. I'll share with you some of the best tips to help you to create successful marketing videos that will boost your revenues. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. In today's movies, you will find that from the first moment there is action, something that grabs your attention and makes you want to stay tuned to find out what's happening, why it is happening, and what is going to happen next. As another example, teachers often tell their students to trim the first page or two when it comes to writing fiction, because they're usually full of long, boring intro stuff to set up the first scene. But when you scrap that off and start with the action, boom, the reader is engaged. Creating engaging videos are the same way. Start with a good introduction and let it advance from there. 3. Don't be overly serious. You don't have to sound like a stuffy, boring college instructor, although your video might be to educate and inform. Add some sense of humor and fun in your videos. This doesn't mean injecting videos that don't have nothing to do with the topic you're talking about. Find humor instead. You just need to look for humor in what you teach or talk about. It's always there. If you are like most people, you get nervous when you get in front of the camera. You may need to practice with a friend. You will find some funny stuff that comes to mind. Try it and listen to your friend's suggestion. They are going to tell you which parts to trim. You should keep thinking of the camera as your friend when you're filming. You are having a nice chat, whether you're using your phone or using slides. You have the chance to talk. Have fun. When you have fun, the audience would possibly also have fun as well. 4. Don't seek perfection and be human. Nobody's perfect. Everybody makes mistakes. No one prefers someone who is perfect, or even someone who comes across as perfect. That's why it's normal to make mistakes on camera. If you do something wrong or you are nervous, just acknowledge it and move on. For example, if you are showing something to your audience and suddenly it drops, make a joke out of it and laugh. Pick it up or whatever and move on. Be yourself, as it will be funny when you admit to your audiences that you are human and you can laugh at your failures. The audience will begin to like you more. You can make a funny mistake on purpose, so you can get the audience on your side. A lot of people are doing this. When done right, it's a truly effective technique. Once again, it's a powerful teaching method, and everyone loves somebody who can laugh at themselves. If you look at comedians, they are continually telling audiences about silly stuff they have done, and people love them for it. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.